The mucus serves a dual purpose in the body. It both filters out foreign substances and helps maintain air moving through the lungs. It is produced by the mucosa of the nose and lungs. Inhalation aids the body in clearing the airways of allergens, viruses, dust, and other particles by releasing a mass of mucus. The body produces more mucus than usual, so you'll need to clean your throat more often. Conditions such as acid reflux, allergies, asthma, infections, and the common cold are all associated with excessive mucus production. Asthma, a chronic obstructive pulmonary disorder, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease in children, and other breathing problems. Several environmental and dietary factors, including dry indoor air, inadequate water, and other fluid consumption and excessive use of fluids that may cause fluid loss, such as coffee, tea, and alcohol, can lead to an overproduction of mucus. Certain drugs and tobacco use have been linked to an increase in throat mucus. A few self-care steps may be suggested by your doctor to cut down on mucus production. Gargling with warm salt water might help relieve a sore throat. This home remedy will help you get rid of the sticky mucus that has collected at the back of your throat and is providing a fertile environment for bacteria. Always drink plenty of water throughout the day. Mucus outflow can be sped up and congestion alleviated with plenty of fluids, especially water. You should stay away from caffeinated beverages, but warm liquids may help. Put your triceps out. Sometimes when you lay down you feel like mucus is building up in the back of your throat. No nasal decongestants of any kind should be permitted. Although using a decongestant may reduce mucus production, it may make it more challenging to clear mucus entirely.